Monk Min Tuesday, and the unplanned pilgrimage, freedom like a flying bird. Welcome to the channel Min Tuesday. The great Vietnamese monk. Imagine standing before a vast horizon, where there are no limits, only wind and sunlight. A quiet figure walks on, like a free bird gliding across the sky. That is Monk Min Tuesday. A Vietnamese monk who does not only walk, but truly flies. He carries a powerful message of liberation. Freedom does not lie in what you possess, but in what you dare to let go. Today, we will wander into a journey unlike any other, a pilgrimage along the four holy places, where Monk Min Tuesday turns each step into a song of freedom. He inspires millions of young people from New York, Tokyo, Hanoi, to every corner of the world. Even if you have never cared about Buddhism or spirituality, this story will make you ask, am I living inside an invisible cage? Are you ready? Let the wings of freedom guide you. In a world where most monks choose to dwell in serene monasteries with strict schedules, like the sound of temple bells every dawn, Monk Min Tuesday has chosen a different path. A path with no map, no plan, only faith and karmic connection, with 3 patched robes of discarded cloth, pieces gathered from the world, and a single alms bowl embracing boundless compassion. He walks through Southeast Asia and India, along the four holy places, from Bodh Gaya, where the Buddha attained enlightenment, under the Bodhi tree, to Varanasi, where he gave the first sermon at the Deer Park, through Kushinagar, the serene place of nirvana, and to Lumbini, where the Buddha was born. These are not merely sacred places, but symbols of liberation, awakening, sharing, renouncing, and returning to the origin. Imagine this: a young person in New York, drowning in deadlines, accidentally comes across a video of Monk Min Tuesday, walking barefoot through the vast roads of India. A young woman in Kyoto, exhausted by the endless work culture, sees him smiling by the Ganges River, alms bowl in hand. A young man in Hanoi, weary of the social media whirl, hears the story of him living with nothing but a free heart. All of them feel a fresh breeze, a call to dare to live differently. The story of Monk Min Tuesday is a flame of inspiration. It spreads like a sweeping wind. In Vietnam, many Gen Z youth have tried living minimally, letting go of unused clothes, reducing time scrolling TikTok, even quitting cigarettes, alcohol, choosing to live more wholesome lives. A Vietnamese youth shared on Instagram, "Looking at him, I realize happiness doesn't need luxury cars or big houses, only a light heart." In the US, minimalism communities on Reddit call him a symbol of voluntary simplicity. In Japan, Zen meditation practitioners see in him the image of Mushin, a mind free of attachments, resonating with the wabi-sabi philosophy of simple beauty. His appeal lies in authenticity. In a world of staged content, his image is living proof. Walking through the four holy places is a life without pretense. From a Buddhist view, he practices non-abiding, not clinging to anything, turning the teaching of the Diamond Sutra into reality with each step. From psychology, this journey is like therapy for the soul, facing uncertainty, sun, wind, hunger to reach the state of flow, living fully in the present, reducing anxiety, strengthening resilience. This resonates with American youth seeking escape from burnout, Japanese youth searching for ikigai, a sense of life's purpose, or Vietnamese youth longing for a more meaningful life. The story of Monk Min Tuesday does not stop in Vietnam or India. It flies far like a bird crossing the ocean. Through social media, his journey echoes worldwide. Viral videos on YouTube, posts on Instagram, shares on X. Young people in London, Tokyo, Los Angeles, or Hanoi all ask themselves, what is my freedom? That is the power of a true story. No need for flashy ads, Only a breeze to fly far? What's special is that he does not preach. He simply lives, so you may look into yourself. In Varanasi, September 2025, he shared beside Dhammik Stupa. Freedom is when the mind is unbound, not by possessions, not by others, not even by oneself. That message touches the universal longing of humanity to break free from the invisible cage, toxic jobs, binding relationships, or inner fears. The pilgrimage of the four holy places is a reminder. Liberation does not wait for the perfect moment. It begins with small steps. Imagine one day you wake up, turn off your phone, and step outside. Feel the sun on your skin and the wind in your hair. That is the moment you touch freedom. You don't need to go as far as Monk Minh Tuesday, nor give up everything. You only need to dare to live true to yourself. His path of the four holy places is an invitation to find your own sky, be it a corner of your soul or a journey of 1,000 miles. So, where will you begin? Try a small challenge today. Walk alone, write a journal, drop a negative habit, or simply sit quietly and breathe deeply. Share your story in the comments below and ask yourself, what is my invisible cage? Let Monk Minh Tue's journey inspire you to spread your wings. Don't forget to like and share so this story may spread. Subscribe to Minh Tuesday, the great Vietnamese monk. Like an endless wind, from the Deer Park to every heart across the world. Thank you for flying with us across the sky of freedom today.
Giữa trời nắng gắt chói chang, bước chân vững chãi hành trì an yên, mặc bao sóng gió trên đường, tâm ta kiên định hướng về pháp dương. Nghe trong gió tiếng chuông ngân, bước chân đi giữa gian nan muôn trùng, chẳng mang thử thách phong ba, chánh niệm soi lối giữa muôn nẻo đường. Bước chân không mỏi rằng đường xa xôi, mang theo ánh đạo chắn hoe, cầu cho hạnh phúc khu hòa bình muôn nơi, gieo duyên khắp chốn an lành. Đường về đất Phật thênh thang, trải nghiệm giữ giới từ bi thiên lành. Trải nghiệm trong mỗi bước chân, tâm không lo lắng, nhẹ nhàng bước đi. Bước chân không mỏi.